Welcome to the trailer. We've been living in this for the past 6 months now, I think. Has it been 6 months?
No, it hasn't been.
Has it not been 6 months? November, December,
20 days.
January, February, March. 5 months.
Yeah.
Okay. The past 5 months, where we spent about the entire summer renovating it. When we got it, the seats and the bed covers were like moldy and gross. There was like a basic electrical system, but like we've installed a battery monitor, USB ports, we've installed power bars throughout the place. We have the lights on the outside. We have most things hooked into the trailer power system instead of plugging it into things. It's pretty much only our phones and our laptops we plug in. So on this trip we have 3 big sponsors. We have Carefree Colorado, who's provided us with this entire room and the awning above us, as well as the lights that will light up this room at night. We have a little remote control that changes all the colors, and it's really cool. We have BioLight, which has provided us with 3 solar lights that are attached to the ceiling of the inside of the trailer, and they're controlled from a little panel that we've hung on the wall. And the light from the solar lights is so much better than the lights built into the trailer. The third sponsor we have is the Wi-Fi Ranger, which is a little antenna that sits on the top of the trailer, and it will pick up Wi-Fi within usually between 500 meters to about a kilometer at its best range. It doesn't work as well in wooded areas, but if in the RV parks themselves, so if you're somebody that's living full-time in an RV and you are staying at a place that has a little bit more of the facilities, this makes a massive difference between having Wi-Fi in the trailer and not having Wi-Fi in the trailer. We have a lot of stuff in plan. We're coming back to Canada tomorrow. We're going to drive pretty much all the way across the country, and we're going to be doing much more recording. We're going to be trying to focus more on documentary style content, more like the dog shelter, or more like the research station. Speaking of the research center, we're going to be going back to the research center in around June. We're going to be doing some work with them, so stay tuned for that. We used to film vlogs when Alfred was traveling with me, and we found that making vlogs is time consuming. The people who do daily vlogs on YouTube, and especially those that do good daily vlogs on YouTube, so much respect for them. So I'm going to be moving all that kind of behind the scene footage to Instagram. I'm going to post stories, I'm going to post pictures, I'm going to post lots of little videos of just stuff as we go. And I'm going to keep YouTube for the more documentary style stuff, the more like video storytelling, and the things that I sit down with my cameras and my computer and I really put something big together. So follow us on both. They're both Trek196, and stay in touch.
What do you call your followers?
I don't have a name for followers. I don't have that many followers.
You're not like the Trekkies or like that.
No, Trekkies is Star Trek.
Oh, Trek196. 196s.
So stay tuned, and we'll see you in Vancouver.
See you in Vancouver.